Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you students? I hope you are all fine. Again we are here for your online classes. This is your SST class. In the first class of SST, we have done the geography part of your SST lesson. This is the second lesson of your SST and we are going to the history part of your SST. What is the book name? History. This is for class 7th. Today the date is 15th April 2020 and the day is Thursday. Now we are going to open the book. Here is the book. Here is the first lesson, Mughal Empire, the foundation, page number 3. If you remember, we have done the reading of this one lesson and also done the bookwork of this one lesson. I'll show you. This is the bookwork, MCQs, blanks, true, false. We have done all these things. Today we will do the question answer. Question 2. Write down short answers of the following questions. Part 1. In the history of India, how Humayun regained his lost kingdom. This is the question and the answer is on the page number 17. We will open the page number 17. Here is the page number 17. In which point the answer is return of Humayun. What is the answer? It is rare in the history of the subcontinent that a king could get back his kingdom after losing it. Humayun kept away from India for 15 years. During this period, India was ruled by a powerful and truly just king, Sher Shah Suri, and his successor. After the death of Sher Shah Suri, his successor Islam Shah Suri ascended the throne. He was a good administrator but a very cruel person. Many of his loyal friends rebelled against his strict behavior. Provinces started raising their voices for independence. At Islam Shah's death, country was engulfed in anarchy. This situation was favorable to Humayun in 1554 AD. He captured Peshawar and after strengthening his position there, he advanced towards, move to the next page, Lahore. Humayun captured Lahore in 1555 AD and then took Delhi. Thus, Humayun regained his lost kingdom. This is the question of question 2 part 1. Now we are again moving to the questions. Here is the question. We are moving to the part 2. Here is the part 2. Write down 2 reasons of Babur's invasion on India. Babur's invasion on India. Now we are moving back for the answer. Here is the answer on the page number 7. Question number 2. As you can see, at that time, northern areas of the subcontinent were under the sway of Ibrahim Lodhi, who had caused some serious problems for himself through his personal attitude and political ambitions. His amirs and officials were annoyed because of his obstinate behavior, and governor of the Punjab, Daulat Khan Lodhi, got so much irritated that he invited Babur to attack and promised his help. This is the answer of question number 2. I hope you will write these 2 questions in your notebook and also learn them properly. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.